Hello again, my precious. Today's Friday, and do you know what? Yeah, Christmas is coming. So, today our video is dedicated to Christmas in Ukraine. I hope you will learn many interesting things about our culture, about traditional celebrating of Christmas. And next Friday, we will learn something about celebrating New Year. And right now, let's start! Okay, let's start. So today our topic is Christmas. In Ukraine we say з Різдвом, which means Merry Christmas. Вивчимо нові слова. Святвечір, holy dinner, holy evening. It's the special gathering at Christmas Eve when the whole family gather together behind the festive table and waiting for the first star to come and begin celebrating Christmas. It's very intimate, very holy for us because all the family is together and everyone is waiting for the miracle. It's really symbolic, so that's why it is called holy evening or holy dinner. And a special traditional theme for decoration the house at Christmas is diduch. Diduch it's a bunch of a bunch of wheat that was gathered when we gather wheat in spring, the first bunch, and it is placed in the corner of the house, and it is the holy place. And diduch symbolizes the wealth, the general wealth of the family, and it's really symbolic, and at Christmas it's a part of decoration too. Now in villages people still follow these traditions. They have this bunch of wheat, and step by step this tradition comes to us because it's our Ukrainian special decoration, and it has special meaning for us. Різдвяна зірка, Christmas star. It symbolizes the star that showed the way for Magi to Jesus Christ. So we make this decoration. It's a handmade decoration, or we can buy something like this to decorate the top of Christmas tree, and or just for decoration of the house. It's very symbolic. Різдвяна ялинка, Christmas tree. In Ukraine it's fir tree or pine tree, and we decorate it specially, and on the top of it is a Christmas star. So you see we have much in common. 12 пісних страв, 12 lantern dishes. So you see that in our country very religious people, they follow the Lent, and in Christmas it ends, and but we can't eat something that's not Lenten food before the first star that comes in Christmas Eve. So these 12 Lenten dishes symbolize 12 disciples, and it's like festive dinner at Christmas, and only in the evening we can eat something not Lenten. So some people still follow the tradition, especially if they are religious, and some people don't, but you know what it means. Vertep. So you see this is a special place where the scene of birth of Christ is placed. You have the same, I think. You can meet it near the houses and near the churches. It's very cute, and in Lviv it's a special art to see these verteps. So I hope you understand what it is. And it's really great and symbolic. And in our country we have our special Santa Claus, Святий Миколай, but it comes with presents not at Christmas but 19th of December. It comes to kids and gives them some presents. And we have Dід Мороз, Father Frost, so something like Santa Claus, maybe a little bit different and with different meanings. But at Christmas children still get some presents in our country too.
Щедрий вечір, добрий вечір.
Some other things, some other expressions for you here. Дарувати подарунки, give presents or exchange presents, so it's Christmas tradition too for Ukrainians. Колядувати, щедрувати, щедрівки, колядки. So it's the second name of carols. So in our tradition, young people and children go to from home to home and sing Christmas carols or some little verses about Christmas, and wish something good to the masters of these houses, and then they have back some presents. So it's very cute tradition, and some people still, especially young people and children, still follow it. Прикрашати. Decorate something. Yes, we decorate the house, decorate the Christmas tree. Відвідувати хрещених батьків. The next day after Christmas, it's a tradition to visit your godmother and godfather and bring something delicious for them, and it is called приносити вечерю. Bring dinner for your godmother and godfather, and it's really great tradition, and of course your godparents give you some presents back too. So I like this tradition pretty much. So I'm not really religious, but it's our common, our Ukrainian. So let's continue.
Добрий вечір тобі, пане господарю.
Прочитайте текст. Let's read a short text about Ukrainian traditions on Christmas. Багато українців святкують Різдво 25 грудня, але деякі 7 січня. На святвечір збирається вся родина. До того ми вже прикрасили різдвяну ялинку. Її верхівку прикрашає янгол або різдвяна зірка. В кутку стоїть традиційний дідух. На столі 12 пісних страв. Ми чекаємо сходження першої зірки, щоб почати святкувати. Іноді ввечері молодь йде по домівках щедрувати або колядувати, співати різдвяних пісень і отримувати за це подарунки. Поряд з деякими будинками або церквами можна побачити вертеп. Наступного ранку є традиція відвідувати хрещених батьків, приносити вечерю і якісь смаколики для них. Хрещені батьки, в свою чергу, дарують щедрі подарунки хрещенику. So let's translate for you this text. Many Ukrainians celebrate Christmas the 25th of December, but some the 7th of January. Small remark here, it depends on calendar you use, and if you're Catholic, you celebrate the 25th of December. If you're Orthodox, you celebrate the 7th of January. So it depends on the calendar of it. If you want to learn more about it, just write me in the comments. On the holy evening or holy dinner, all family gathers together. Before that, we had already decorated Christmas tree. Its top is decorated with an angel or Christmas star. In the corner, there is traditional diduch. On the table, there are 12 lantern dishes. We are waiting for the first star, for the raising of the first star to begin celebrating. Sometimes in the evening, the youth go from house to house to sing Christmas songs and to get presents for that. Next to some buildings or churches, you can see vertep. Next morning, there is a tradition to visit godparents and bring Holy Supper, something delicious for them. Godparents, in their turn, give generous presents to their godchild. So I hope everything, you have understood everything, so you can write some expressions from there. This text is very useful, but I don't want to make this video too long, so only one practice, and as you have noticed, lots of traditional Ukrainian songs that you can listen after watching this video. All the links on the videos will be in the description below. Okay, this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can share it with your friends who want to learn Ukrainian and to know about Ukrainian Christmas traditions. And I am waiting for you next Friday, and we are going to learn about New Year. And right now, bye bye!